Hey everyone, welcome back to another maths tutorial. In this lesson, we're learning about conditional probability. Conditional probability tells us the probability of an event happening, given that another event has already occurred. We write this as P of B given A, which means the probability that event B happens. If event A has already happened, for example, imagine a bag of sweets with 5 red and 5 blue sweets. If we pick one and it's red, then the probability of picking another red has changed because the total number of sweets is smaller. That's what conditional probability is all about. How one event changes the likelihood of another. We can calculate conditional probability using the formula P of B given A equals P of A and B divided by P of A here. P of A and B means both events happening together, and P of A means the probability of A alone. Let's look at one more example. Suppose 30% of students take physics and 20% take both physics and chemistry. Then the probability that a student takes chemistry, given that they already take physics, is 20 divided by 30, which equals 0.66 or 66%. So to summarize, conditional probability looks at how one event affects the probability of another. It's written as P of B given A equals P of A and B divided by P of A. Remember, once something happens, the sample space changes. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more maths tutorials.